Hi and welcome. In this video, you are going to learn how to find the maximum or minimum value in an array in Python. In data analysis, often we want to find the maximum and minimum values in an array or subset of an array. This can be accomplished with the max and min methods. To find the maximum or minimum, we use the numpy functions max and min. First, we will import the numpy library. Then we are going to create a sample array, which is a matrix with 3 rows and 3 columns. We can find the maximum element using the max function. Similarly, we can find the minimum element using the min function. We can also apply the operation along a certain axis using the axis parameter. For example, to find the maximum element in each column, we use the parameter axis equal to 0. Similarly, to find the maximum element in each row, we use the parameter axis equal to 1. With this, we finished the video where you learned how to find the maximum or minimum value in an array in Python. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I hope that was helpful.